So, hello students. So, this is exercise 6.1 NCERT Maths class 9th. This is the question number 1, and here you can see the figure where we have been given angle AOC plus BOE. These two angles sum is 70 degree, and BOD, this angle is 40 degree. So definitely if this is 40 degree, then by vertically opposite angle it will also become 40 degree. Now this angle and this angle 40 degree plus BOE is 70 degree. Here I have written here. Then angle BOE becomes 30 degree. But we have been asked to find out angle COE. So angle COE, where is it? COE is right. No, first thing we have done BOE 30 degree, and now for reflex angle COE, let's first calculate angle COE, which is here. So this completely, the value of this complete angle will be 180 degree, whereas these and these are 70 degree, so this remaining COE will become 110 degree, and the reflex COE means this complete angle. If we subtract 110 from 360, then only we can get the reflex angle COE. So therefore reflex angle COE becomes 360 minus 110 equal to 250 degree. So this is the completion of solution of question number 1. Now let's see the question number 2. Question number 2. So for that we will have to draw the figure first. So let's draw the figure first. So question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए we will have to draw the figure first. ये आप इसको ऐसे बनाओगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is here, and we will draw like this, two straight lines, and this angle is right angle. Let's name the points X, Y, N, O, P, M. We have been given A and B. This is A, this is B. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So definitely if we go on calculating A, it will be 2 by 5, sum of these both, multiplied by 90 degree. Why? Because this is 90 degree, so this angle will be 90 degree also. So it gives 36 degree. And likewise B, 3 by 5 into 90 degree, so 54 degree it will become. But we have to calculate the value of C. C is here. So definitely B plus C. This is a straight angle, no? So B plus C will be 180 degree. Now B plus C equal to 180 degree, and from here B is 54. Therefore C will become, angle C or only C, C will become how much? 180 minus 54. 180 minus 54, it comes 126 degree. So this is the complete solution of question number 2. Now let's go for question number 3. Question number 3. So it should come here. So very easy question it is. P, Q, R, P and S. See, PQR, this angle is given equal to PRQ, this angle. So both these angles are equal, therefore we can write xx. To make it simple and easy, we will write it xx, and here we can write y and z, different values, because these values may be different. So as far as this solution is concerned, actually we have to show that PQS is equal to, means y is equal to PRT, means z. So what we will do here, ax plus y is 180 linear pair. So let me write here, this is linear pairs. Similarly, x plus z is also linear pair. So ax plus y will become x plus z. You can cancel x and x, and now you can get y equal to z, and it was to be find out. It was to be shown. So in this way, we can show that these two angles, which two angles? PQS and PRT are both equal. So now we will go for the fourth question. Fourth question is also easy, not tough. So let's do it. Fourth question. So question number 4. Question number 4. How can we do it? Let's see. Because we have to make the solutions easy, not tough. So in what way can we do? Let's see here. Yes, right. So now the question number 4, and figure is something like this. There is a straight line AB. AB is a straight line here, and one line comes like this, another line goes like this, and angles have been marked as AX, Y, Z and W. What we have to do, we have to show x plus y equal to W plus Z, then prove AOB a line. O is here. We have to show AOB a straight line, and it is only possible when y plus x or z plus w comes 180 degree, because on a straight line only it happens. So what we have to do here, given we have been given x, y plus x equal to w plus z, and see, we have studied that this is the complete angle, and it comes equal to 360 degree. So we will write here straightly here x plus y plus z plus w 360 degree. But see, y plus x is equal to w plus z. So x plus y plus, instead of writing z plus w, we will write once again x plus y 360 degree. Now it becomes 2x plus y 360 degree. Hence, the value of x plus y is 180 degree. Now we have got x plus y 180 degree. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. It was to be shown here. X plus y 180 degree shows that AOB is a straight line. Now let's go towards the fifth question. So we will have to draw the figure first for question number 5. Is right. So question number 5, very, very important. We have got only 2 questions left with 5th and 6th. So question number 5, what does it tell? So first of all we will have to draw the figure for question number 5. So question number 5, there is a straight line here, and one line stands straight making right angle, and names are P, O, Q, and here R, and one more line like this we have to draw. Now see what we have been given. PQR is a line, ray OR is perpendicular, right? OS is another way line between rays OP and OR. Then we have to prove that ROS, where is ROS? ROS is here, equal to half QOS and POS. QOS, complete one, and POS, this one. Okay, what we will do, see, how can we do it? Actually, the value of SOR, angle SOR can be taken 90 degree minus SOP, because this one is 90 degree. 90 degree minus SOP, angle SOP. Also SOR from this side, coming from this side, SOR can be written as SOQ minus right angle. This complete angle minus this angle will give SOR. So SOQ minus 90 degree. So if we add these two values, we will get 2 angle SOR equal to, see, plus and minus 90 will be cancelled out. SOQ plus SOP. So therefore SOR will be equal to half SOQ plus SOP. That's all. It was to be shown by ourselves. So students should see it carefully, because only a careful study can make these questions simple. Here SOR can be written as complete 90 degree minus SOP, that is here. Also SOR is here, no. So from this whole thing, if we subtract 90 degree, then also SOR can be calculated. So in both the ways we have written here, and lastly we will add these two results. It will give 2 SOR, 90 plus minus, that will be cancelled, SOQ minus SOP, and finally SOR barabar half SOQ plus SOP. So in this way we get our desired result. So for the next and last question, we will draw the figure, required figure. So that is also very easy. So let's see in what way can we do it. It is given that XYZ is 64 degree. It is given that SYZ is 54 degree. It is given that XYZ, yeah, this is the sixth one. Let's first draw the figure. There will be a straight line. Figure is not given in the book, so we will draw ourselves. X, Y, P. This is Q, and this is Z. It is given to be 64 degree. So let's see. XY produced, draw a figure from the given is if ray YQ bisects ZYP, exactly these and these angles are equal. Find XYQ. We have to find out XYQ, and one next thing is reflex QYP. Reflex QYP, we have to find out these two angles. So let's see what way we can solve this problem. So first of all, what we see here is the 64. This complete angle becomes 180 degree. XYQ is here. XYQ, right. X 64 plus this thing. See, if you write X and X here, then certainly 64 plus 2X will become 180 degree. And it will give the value of X. Let's see what comes. This is X. So 2X will be equal to 116. Therefore X will equal to 116 by 2, 58 degree. Exactly. This is 58. This one is 58. This one is also 58. Let me write here 58, 58. Both are here. So we have to find out XYQ. XYQ means what? XY angle. XYQ will be equal to 64 degree plus 58 degree equal to 122 degree. Next thing, reflex QYP. QYP, yes, this one. So reflex QYP, it will be equal to 360 minus 58 degree, because QYP is 58 and reflex is the whole thing excluding this one. So 302 degree should be the answer. So in this way we come to an end of this exercise. So students should learn or practice the whole questions carefully. So XYQ reflex is here. So with this solution we come on completion of this exercise, and I am quite hopeful that you will have a well practice of these solutions. So for the next exercise, please wait shortly. I will be back very soon. So thank you very much.